how to add a device on Google Find My Device. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just directly jump onto the video topic. So first of all, you have to sign in with the Google account. Like, make sure the device you want to add is signed in with the same Google account that you use for Find My Device. And after that, you have to access Find My Device. Like, open the Find My Device app or go to the Find My Device website. Like this one, this is the Find My Device website. Or you can just search Find My Device on Google, and you can see this is the website Find Your Phone. And after that, you have to locate the device. Like, if the device is signed incorrectly, it should appear in the list of the device associated with your Google account, like as you can see, like this one. And after that, you have to add account if needed. Like, for a new device, you'll need to add your Google account to it first, and this is usually done through the devices sitting under accounts or users and accounts. And after that, you have to ensure the device is connected to the internet, Wi-Fi or cellular, and that location services are enabled. And you have to check Find Hub settings. On Android, you can also check the Find Hub settings in your Google account to ensure the allowed device to be located is turned on. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.